a player, you don't know that many major chords. We hang out and then you get bored, and you leave me here like I'm your landlord.
Alright, so hi, good morning.
How are you doing, guys? It's beautiful rainy
Yes.
day, but it's tropical rainforest. I mean, not rainforest.
It's tropical rain, you know, like in
Tropical
the morning.
rain.
So we arrive in Ubud right now. So we will check in the hotel. We will be here for 3 days tonight, and
Yes.
we will explore how Ubud in new normal.
New normal.
Yeah.
In this beautiful place. Today, more tropical, rainy, jungle, rice field vibe. That's the same beautiful as usual.
I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist, there's nothing like wine.
Actually, that we arrive quite early, and then we will explore little bit, you know, outside from the hotel. How is the rice paddies and everything?
Yep. It's very beautiful area, by the way. It's one of my favorite areas of Ubud. Let's jump to the rice field. Be careful, yeah? Oh. Be careful. Oh, nice.
Well, you see the ducks over there looking food, and then later on everything will be the natural fertilizer for the land here. So all rice here grows organically, actually, with no chemicals inside. Alright, so now I arrive in Jannata Resort. So let's see, we will check in first. We will stay here for 3 days tonight, and then we will explore how new normal in Ubud and everything. So let's see. That's the most important thing.
So ask to check yours. Okay, it's 636.2.
Oh wow!
So welcome to Jannata. Welcome home.
Wow.
Doing the check-in process. Welcome Ibu Winnie and Bapak Damian.
Yeah.
May I have your passport,
Oh
please?
yeah, sure.
For a copy.
Alright, so Winnie's doing check-in for us. And we will see how it is over here.
So you're burning with desire. You sure know how to set a girl on fire. I'm not calling you a liar.
Hello.
Beautiful.
Balcony with the view
Wow.
of the jungle. And can you hear the sound of the jungle?
Come inside the bathroom.
Yes. It's the view. Comfy bed. And here is the bathroom. Hello again. Oh,
Very romantic bathtub.
romantic bathtub.
I can't wait to have a bathtub.
With the view. And the statue. Alright, so this is our room for today, as you see. So nice, so peaceful, so quiet in the jungle, in jungle view.
Can you hear the sound of the big river?
Yes, is there the
Down
river?
there is a big river.
And
And
some
the sound of nature.
exactly.
Beautiful.
And once again, we are only one in the
And
resort.
we are the only one guest here.
So another cool experience, and we will
be
see.
a very cool sweet escape in Ubud.
I hope so.
It's beautiful place, isn't it? Yeah, I really love this place. Beautiful. The sound of the nature, the jungle. Wow, it's beautiful experience. Alright, so you know what? When I just arrived in this hotel, the first thing what Damian does is, let's see where he is now. Hey honey.
Hi, sayang. You vlogging now?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You just jump in the bathtub.
I wake up very early morning. I just need to chill out a little bit.
Wow.
Alright, I'm after my bath and it's time to work something. I need to prepare the video for today because it's not ready yet, and Winnie is already working on the bed. Hi Winnie. Hi. So that's how it is. By the way, it's super quiet and very good vibe, so
Yeah.
will be good place to do the job on the laptop today.
Yeah. So for your information, the guest only us.
Only us again. So cool. Can you see that? It's sunny and rainy in the same time, and the sounds of nature. So I'm editing the video with the sound of nature, and check this out, guys.
So we already just finished shower. Today we are just chill out in the room, you know, working, and yeah, because the weather is just like raining and sun.
Also, I had a lot of to do on the editing video and everything for today.
Yeah.
So yeah, and now we're gonna go to have explore a little bit Ubud at night.
Yeah. And then we will see how is Ubud at night. Is it, you know, the same crowded as like before, or just so quiet? We will see. And then we will have a dinner in the center of Ubud today.
Yeah, so let's see.
I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry. I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist. There's nothing like wine.
as you see, Ubud at 7 is already dark, and the restaurant, the shops, most of them are already closed. But this place is open, so we decided to have a dinner here.
Yeah, so
You can see that Ubud is super quiet, no tourists at all, and shop 7 o'clock is closed. I
Yeah.
never ever see like this.
and we are still lucky as at least this place is open. I will show you guys around a little bit this place. I've been here actually a few times, mostly for coffee, and it's super cool. It's like how to say, beautiful paintings. It's like a little bit like a shop and gallery in the same time. Super cool. Check this out, guys. I will change the position. We forgot to mention you, as you can see, we are only the one customer.
They almost close actually.
They almost close. But
Yeah. Yeah. It's how it is. They almost close at 9, so we are the last one. So as you see, Ubud at 8 o'clock actually. Restaurant is closed, shop also already closed. So quiet. It looks like a ghost town at night. Yeah.
alright, thank you so much for watching, like always, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course to subscribe.
Okay, and see you tomorrow, because tomorrow we will explore more about Ubud, how Ubud in new normal. Okay, bye. See you
Guys,
tomorrow.
see you tomorrow. New vlog every day, 7 p.m. Bali time, GMT +8.